So I'm making one more video. I just started jamming. I'm staying at this resort right now. I did find a cockroach in my room. And then apparently one of these hotel managers, he decided to come up and say my guitar wasn't in tune. I didn't tell him, but you know what I thought was you should probably worry about the roaches before you like worry about what my guitar sounds like. So I came on over back to the water, and all these birds just started showing up, dude. I'm serious. There's a couple geese over there. I'm serious. It was like one of the coolest things ever. So I'm gonna try to I'm not really gonna play for the camera. And, check it out. So I made this tune and they really digged it. So. Oh, right there, check it out. There's a whole spew of them. You gotta watch out because I got fire ants around here. They're just like chilling. So. Is that not stinking cool? Tell you guys want to learn that one, I don't know. But they're totally vibing. So, and they're obviously not there, I don't know. It's not like I'm on some friendly neighbor golf course where they're domestically fed. These animals are definitely, I can just tell they don't really mess with too many people. There's ducks in the water too. Check it out, they're just digging it, dude. I've been here for 5 days and I ain't seen none of these animals. Pretty cool. I don't know, people put value on different things, but it's definitely worth a like. So if you want to learn this one, it's pretty cool. It starts on the 12th. Remember I was telling you about the bridge thing with the 4 dots? I guess it's, yeah, you know, sometimes you just don't need total recognition. You're just yeah, might be onto something. So it kind of starts on the 12th, not kind of, 12th one, skip, and then the 4th, 5 and 3. And then I go back on, I go to the 5th, and I kind of open. You can kind of slide, I don't know, just you gotta feel it. So it's I originally kind of was going 3 to 5. It depends on what kind of player I guess you are, if you're familiar with the screen strings, but so 7, and then I do 3 to 5. 3 pieces. If you guys want to learn the rest of it, let me know.